Welcome to Mini Orange. Mini Orange provides single sign-on solutions for Drupal, and as we know that is the best SAML IDP solution available in the market. Let's configure WordPress as service provider and Drupal as identity provider. You can download the module from the link below. You can check installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Go to Admin Dashboard of your Drupal site and click on the Extend. Search Mini Orange SAML Identity Provider in the search box, enable the checkbox, and click on Install button. This will install the module on your Drupal site. Now go to the Configuration tab and select Drupal SAML IDP configuration. Let's configure WordPress as a service provider. In Service Provider Setup tab, search for the custom IDP. In Upload Metadata tab, enter the identity provider name. Download the metadata file from Drupal and upload here. Download the metadata under the IDP Metadata tab of the Drupal module. Choose the downloaded metadata file and click on Upload button. Metadata imported from the Drupal to the WordPress site. Navigate to the Redirection and SSO Links tab. Click on this toggle button for Add a Single Sign-On button on the WordPress login page. Let's configure Drupal as Identity Provider. In Service Provider Setup tab, under the SP Metadata section, download the SP metadata from WordPress and upload here. Download the metadata under the Service Provider Metadata tab of the WordPress plugin. Choose the downloaded metadata file and click on Upload button. Click on Test Configuration button. User successfully logged in WordPress. Let's perform SSO. Open a new browser or private window and go to your WordPress site. Click on the button to initiate the SSO from Service Provider. You will be redirected to the Drupal site login page. Log in with Drupal credentials. After successful authentication, the user will be redirected and logged in into the WordPress site. Congratulations! You have successfully configured WordPress as SP and Drupal as IDP. Mini Orange provides the best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.